Another fun day adventure you can do outside of Nuwara Eliya is to visit another waterfall. There are a lot around here. This one I'm visiting today is called Bomburuella. It's about 18 kilometers from town. There are buses that run, because there are buses that run to everywhere in this country. But we're in a little bit of a rush, so we ended up taking a tuk-tuk, and now let's go. That was just the bottom section. We continue up the steps to the bigger arch. What a beautiful waterfall, beautiful area. This one doesn't seem you can swim in. However, it is quite stunning. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. I like this one a lot. Time to fly the drone. Definitely think you have to put this on the list of a must-do place when you are in Nuwara Eliya. Bring food and water, make a picnic, make a whole day out of it. There are buses that are running here. I don't know the times, but you can definitely find them out here if you just want to stay all day. Definitely suggest hitting this place. We loved it. A lot of friendly people, magnificent waterfall, and yeah, it's been a lovely half day, really.